What is it? Why are you crying?
Neha is just. She refused to go for training due to Pari.
How do you know? Who told you?
Papa was speaking to Yash. I heard it.
Secretly.
No, I was passing from there. That's why.
Mithila, how many times do I have to tell you that this habit of eavesdropping is very bad?
I really didn't do it. I just heard it. But why is Neha being so stubborn?
What is stubborn about that? Huh? Pari is her daughter.
I understand that. But at least we can take care of her for about 5 to 6 days, right? I was feeling since morning that when Neha will go for training, that time Pari will be with us. And then, at least for some days, I can be her mother. And do you know something? When Pari is here, that time I feel so good. She speaks with so much love. I fulfill all her demands. And she inquires about you with so much affection. That day when she was here, we were playing. That time I had become a small kid. And when she gave her doll to me, that time after looking at her doll, I felt that
Come. Come, let's go and talk to Neha. Come.
he said, "Let us go." He used to say you and me before, but today, due to Pari, we became us.
What happened?
Nothing.
Come. Let's speak to her. Come.
Yes.
Thank
Uncle, so many clothes.
Yes, the travel is for 5-6 days, so we should take the clothes, right?
Pari?
Mom, look, we both packed the bag.
Why did you pack the bag, uncle?
Hey, I was thinking about going to the... It's been so many days since we are. Now I have started feeling that if I don't go now, I will forget the address of that place.
Hey, keep this too.
Give.
Yes, you're here. It's good.
There is space here.
I want to speak with you. Hey, we are going to our
Aunt,
village.
what happened? Is everything okay?
It's fine. We were thinking of going since many days. The opportunity didn't
Uncle
come.
Mandu told her everything.
Is it? He remembered this.
Mom, let's go to the palace. I miss the palace very much.
Wait, Pari. Aunt, what is really going on here?
What?
Tell me the truth. Why did you plan to go to your village suddenly? And what is it? And why do you want to go to the palace today only? Tell me, did Yash tell you that I have been selected?
Of course, I only told them.
Fred! She found everything.
I know she found out everything. Smart only. She was going to find out everything. That's why a selection has happened for London trading.
What?
What is this, Yash?
What? I'm telling her that her mother's so smart, so capable.
How will she realize? If she finds out that I will go out leaving her for 4 to 5 days, then she will realize it.
Neha, you're holding on to the matter. Personally, I feel that you should really attend this training program. It's important for your personal growth. And I'm not telling you as a boss, but as a friend.
Yes, but you know everything.
That's why I'm telling you, Neha, please be confident. Don't worry about Pari. Her friend is here to worry about her, right? We should also get used of each other, right?
Yes, Mom.
Neha, till today you have never left her alone. that day when you had to stay in the palace, that day I stayed here, right? And we were comfortable with each other, right?
Yes.
Greetings.
Oh my, you?
Uncle,
Come in, come in.
Sorry, we came here without informing.
Come, uncle. I'll
Please
remove
sit
the
down.
shoes.
Neha, heartiest congratulations. We found out the news. Don't get angry at him now. To tell you the truth, even he didn't know that we are coming here.
We are here to meet you and speak to you. No, I mean, you would be more tensed and less happy with regards to your training. That's why we thought about meeting you and telling you not to worry about Pari at all. We will take care of her.
Aunt, thank you so much, but Pari is.
Really not used to living without me at all. And to tell you the truth, even I'm not used to.
Hey, I will take care of her just like a mother.
You'll take care of her. I'm not worried about that, but.
Then don't think too much. Okay? Go ahead. Move ahead.
Neha, what he is saying is absolutely right. Understood? We know that you are worried about us. We are going to the village. We will come back once you are back. Huh?
It means you are going for me, right?
That is not important, dear. It's our wish to see you progress. Tell us if you will fulfill our wish or not.
I found out suddenly about the training. I'm still thinking about it.
Now don't think too much. So many people are telling you right, then it will be good.
Really, Neha. We can go to the village till the time we can walk. We were not able to go till now due to Pari's concern. Now she has got her rightful people. And anyway, it's a matter of just 4 days. So our concern has now reduced. You should get used to it, right?
I'm getting confused due to all of your comments, but as a mother, I cannot really accept this.
Look, Neha, you have done a lot for Pari as a mother till now, okay? But now think a little differently. Once you come back from training and you get a higher post, you will progress in life. Then your daughter will be so happy seeing you.
You don't trust me? I will really take good care of Pari. Maybe this is the opportunity for me to be Pari's dad. Don't refuse.
To tell you the truth, you don't worry at all. In case needed, we both are also there. And look, this opportunity has come to you. Don't lose this opportunity, please.
Fine. If you all are saying, then I.
Yay!
Yay!
Good decision. I'm proud of you.
I will make sweet Sheera for the occasion.
No need, Aunt. Why are you taking trouble for no reason? Let it be.
Aunt, you said I'll make it.
All right.
Mom, look at the world map.
From where did you get it?
From Moses. Mom, where do we live in this map?
We live here. Look, this is India. This is our country. We are here. This is Maharashtra, our state.
Mom, where is London?
London, here. Look here. This is London.
Here. It's not too far away. You will reach there by the time I will reach the palace.
Dear, You are going to the palace, right? Don't create a scene there or trouble anyone. And stay quietly, okay?
Yes.
Neha! Listen, Neha!
Sister,
Neha!
sister, I'm here.
I knew it. I was looking over there. What is this? Packing? Are you both going to the palace? Nice, nice, nice. It seems Yash explained to you. I knew it that Yash will tell you both and you will listen. You both will be having fun now. You both are going to the palace.
Not both, but I am going to the palace alone. Mom is going to London.
London! What are you blabbering? Do you know even where London is?
I know it. Look, we stay here and here is London.
What is she saying?
Yes, sister, I have office training and I have to go due to that.
So you are going to London?
Yes.
He doesn't even deserve to go to Lonavala. She's going to London. The Almighty keeps on giving to people who don't deserve it. It's good, it's good, very good. Yash has come into your life. That's why all of this is happening. But look at us. We are so smart. Yet we are just here.
My mom is also smart.
Yes, dear, your mom is smart. That's why she's going to London. No, this has all been done by your friend Yash. So it would have happened, right?
No, it's not like that. There is an office committee. They decide who will go and who will not.
But even if the committee decides, still the company belongs to Yash. No one will refuse his order, right? If he says something, then it will happen. I mean, he might have recommended.
No, my mom works very well. She pays attention to. That's why she has been called to the London office.
Yes, I got it. You are your mother's daughter. Hey, Neha, once you go to London, then bring a coat for me. And that people wear for winter, it's that long. And that cap will look good on me. What else do we get there?
Sister, I really have no idea. I will know it once I'm there.
Let it be. I have heard that you get very good chocolates, cookies, biscuits and other eatables too. I have heard that cashews, pistachio and almonds are put on it. Listen to me. I will find out if their cashew, pistachio, almond tastes the same like us after eating it. Get it?
Sister, I really don't know how much time I will get there. And I will have full day training there.
Won't your office never leave? Do people keep you locked in the office whole day? Huh? Hey, once the work is done, go out at night and bring it.
Sister, I told you right. I will bring it if I can.
She is acting too pricey. She feels she is the only one who is working and going abroad. She is going to London.
As sister said, am I going just because of Yash?
That's good that you're here. Look, I've kept the itinerary on the bed. Check it.
Yash, there is a big problem. What's the problem? The plan was to send Neha to London so that she gets space. But Neha found out that all of this is not true.
Oh, goodness. How did Neha find it all out?
I don't know.
Who told her? Shefali?
I really don't know.
You told her all of this.
How am I related, man?
Man, this always happens. I always plan something for and it gets ruined. Where's my phone?
How do I know?
Even the phone goes missing during such a time. Yes.
Hey, what
I'm
are you
calling
doing?
Neha. What else?
What for?
I need
Don't
to
call
speak
her.
with her. She'll get upset. Then everything will get ruined.
But she's
Then
already
why
angry.
should I speak with her then? Right?
No. Don't call her. She's already angry. And don't feel concerned. I was joking with you. I was joking.
This is something to joke about.
I had heard the truth that every husband in the world is scared of his wife. But even if the husband is Yashvardhan Chaudhary, still he's scared of his wife. This is the universal truth which has come in front of the whole world.
Neha's trip should be successful. She should get the required break.
And the best husband award goes to Yashvardhan Chaudhary.
You are too loud. Can you even listen to me? You have to do important work.
Tell me.
This is possible only if Shefali reaches there on time.
Right.
It is your
true.
responsibility to make sure that she reaches there on time.
Yes, she will come. I've told her.
No, you go to her home, pick her up, and take her to the airport.
I won't go to her house. No, not to her house.
You go to her home, pick her up, and take her to the airport.
There is no need to go to her house. I will call her and tell her to reach on time.
You go to her home, pick her up, and take her to the airport, Sameer.
All right, let's not do both. Let's book a cab. She will come on time.
You go to her home, pick her up, and take her to the airport, Sameer. This is an order.
You are ordering me around as a boss. You're cruel. You don't have a heart in your body. No heart.
Heart in my body. Don't I know what you really want to go there? You want to go there. What problem? But you're just speaking this cruel and boss thing for no reason. Leave from here.
I'm going as you ordered me like a boss, or I would not have gone.
Okay, thank you, sir. Thank you so much. You go to her home, pick her up, and take her to the airport.
Fine.
Oh,
I'm leaving.
Shall I look into your eyes? Shall I look away? What magic have you cast on me?
Mummy, listen, shall I take this dress or this dress?
Keep both of them. They are both nice.
How do I keep both of them? I've already packed a lot. Tell me, or there will be extra clothes.
Hey, both of them look good on you. Take them both. If you have to stay there for longer, then you will need an extra dress, right?
No, our stay won't prolong. You tell me, this one or this one?
Both. Take them both. They look good on you. Sometimes I will fear, sometimes I will hug. I don't have control.
You just sing
over
whenever
me.
I ask you something, right? Go away.
Why is she angry for no reason?
Is the preparation done for going to London?
Hey, a gust of wind. Come, come, come. Shefali, Shefali, look who's here. My dear has come, oh Lord Rama. My dear has come, oh Lord Rama. He brought coffee too.
He brought coconut water along,
Yes,
Miss
coconut
Mohini.
water.
What you want is... I filled in it, Miss Mohini. Take
Thank
this.
you, thank you.
Is the preparation done for going to London?
The preparation is going on, but your Shefali is very angry.
Why? Why is Shefali angry?
Water. You don't want it, okay?
Why is she like that? Shefali looks very upset. Aunt, did you point out her mistake?
Ish. Why will I point out her mistake?
Then,
She's not angry at me, but on herself. She has to leave me and go, right? So she's feeling very upset. She's concerned for me. She has never left me and gone, right? She's feeling guilty and all. She's feeling the same.
no, it's natural for Shefali to feel concerned for you.
But why to worry about me? I have made all the arrangements. I have called our maid Vidya to come in the morning and evenings too. So there is nothing to worry about. I have made my arrangement.
Wow. Then there is no issue. It's all sorted.
Why are you telling me? Say this to your friend. She's feeling very angry. Tell her not to worry about me anymore.
Hey, Shefali. You should have told me. I would have helped you.
No, let it be. I can do it.
It doesn't seem that way. But it's okay. But, Aunt, you should not worry at all now. Okay? From tomorrow, I will be here to take care of you the whole day. I will take care of all your wants and needs. So be rest assured.
Yes, yes.
I just don't want you to do anything crooked.
Hey, what can I even do sitting here alone? I won't do anything at all. Don't worry about me at all. I'll be just fine.
I can do it. Stop it, both of you. I understand your drama.
Okay, give me a clap. She understood what we were talking about.
Sir, I'm not in a mood for jokes.
No, we are not in the mood for jokes, right, Aunt?
Then?
Shefali, I am being serious. Don't worry. I will come here for the next 4 to 5 days. I will take care of her. I will take care of her needs. You're going to London, right? Go ahead. Be rest assured. I'm here. Please don't cry. Or your eyeliner will get spoiled, okay?
Oh goodness. You have promised me that you will take care of yourself, Mom.
Yes, dear. I will take care of myself. You don't worry. Sameer is also there to take care of me, right? And Vidya will be there morning and evening. You don't have to worry about me. You take care of yourself, okay? And take care of Neha too. She will miss Pari a lot. Take good care of her, okay?
Aunt, shall we pack your bag too? Are you going to London as you both are crying a lot?
No. No. I'm fine here. I'm having fun. Let me stay here as per my wish for 4 days. Let her also roam freely for 4 days. You stop worrying about me. Go, dear, go. Don't worry about me. Just take care of yourself. We shall talk on the phone and we will do video call also.
Yes.
You show me London on the video call, okay? Okay? Sure? Nice. My daughter is very talented.